G'day, I'm Steve Hay, Woodworking Masterclass for Carbotech. I've been asked to put some videos together on using the Robert Sorby Pyrography Machine. And I thought, what better way to do it than split it up into a few projects. We'll cover the basics. I'm not going to do drawing particularly with this one. You can use the pyrography machine and do really intricate detailed drawings, but believe me, I don't have that skill, so I'm not going to do that. But what I want to share with you is some of the things you can do that make pyrography fun, safe, and really use it either as an embellishment tool or a texturing tool, or just something that might be an entry level for the kids to get involved with. Couple of things, just to be on the safe side, make sure you get a couple of band-aids handy and a little bit of burn cream in case you do burn yourself. But it won't be a serious burn because these are very fine tips and it'll just be more of a fright than anything else. I know because I've done it. Okay, so we plug the machine in. When you buy it initially, you get a selection of tips and some wire, and there is one already inserted into the handle. Here's the basis of the machine. Plug at the back, plug it in, pop it on your workbench, make sure the cord's out of the way so you're not going to trip on it. Plug the pins into the machine like so. Turn the dial right down when you start. Put the tool in the clip and then turn it on. And this button will light up. When you turn it off, the light goes out. The reason I advise to turn it right down before you turn it on is just in case it's turned up, you accidentally turn it on, it will heat up and smoke, and if you accidentally put your hand against it, you'll get a bit of a burn there. Comes with a great book that has a lot of information in it, especially if you've had nothing to do with pyrography before. It just gives you some handy little tips, and it also lists a lot of accessories that you can buy. But I'll show you how to make some of your very own very, very shortly. Okay, so first thing first, if you're allergic to smoke, make sure you've got an extraction system or a fan or something that's going to blow the smoke away, because it does smoke a lot. The materials to use, they give you a list of materials actually in this manual, but they're nearly all British timbers or European timbers: maple, sycamore, holly, hornbeam, boxwood. Unfortunately, we don't have that in Australia, so I've just gone out to the timber shed and got a selection of what I think will work the same or just as well. And they are some beech, silver ash, birch ply, pale Queensland maple, yellow walnut. You could also use pine ply. This is a very inexpensive. You can see by the laminations, if you compare that to birch ply laminations. The main reason is the pine, you can't get so much fine detail. If it doesn't matter, don't worry about it, just use ordinary pine plywood. But if you want to get fine detail, I think you're better off using the birch, because birch is a harder timber and therefore it burns slower, gives you a crisper outline for what you're doing. You'll find the resin in pine makes a lot of blackness, and also you can get resin that will block up the tip on the pyrography tool. Likewise with pine. You could use radiata pine. This is slash pine, and you can see that resin, gum resin vein up there. That will definitely burn black and clog up the tip of your tool. So, With that in mind, let's do some simple things.